hindi galing sa flight. O, diba? Qatar! Qatar! Nasa natin ang Qatar! O, nasa ng Taiwan! From Taiwan! Hello po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, hindi pa uhuli ang ating international business sector. Sasaan po ang from Canada! Canada! Switzerland! Switzerland! Malaysia! Malaysia! Nala sila? Nag-CR? How about San Francisco, USA? San Francisco, Melbourne, Australia! From Melbourne, Australia, Rome, Italy! And last but not the least, we have from Madrid, Spain. Hello po, naman sila. Ayan, hello po sa inyong lahat. Muli, gusto kong i-welcome ang ating mga achievers, ang ating mga leaders and champions. At syempre, bago po tayo mag-umpisa, gusto ko ulit marinig ang energy nyo kasi mga dumadating pa, pumapasok pa. Over at this side, ready na ba kayo? Dito, are you guys ready? Lumakas ang ating energy. Syempre, we have prepared a lot of surprises, performances, at syempre, mga pagpremyo dahil mahal na mahal po tayo ng JC family namin. Because this is your moment, this is your success, and your good life. At syempre, i-welcome po natin ang ating Miss Universe Philippines 2014. At syempre, ang ating kumare ng bayan, ang nag-iisang Miss MJ Lastimosa! Grabe! Hello, everybody! Palakpakan naman dyan. Grabe! Napakadami natin ngayon. Miss MJ, hello, hello to you. Welcome, welcome.
Hi, princess. Nice to meet you. Look like a princess today.
Maraming salamat.
Gold na gold tayo. Alam mo, last year kasi, naki-join ako sa JC family. So sabi ko, I feel like a family member. Can I join again?
Ayan, o, di ba, Ashley?
Hello, everyone! Kamusta?
Grabe. Grabe. Alam mo, MJ, pagdating ko dito kanina, talaga nagulat ako. Sabi ko, ang dami palang nagmamahal talaga sa JC family.
Sobra. Punong-puno ang buong SMX talaga. Kung sa Singapore, nagulat ako kasi syempre Singapore yun, di ba? Talagang lumipad lahat doon. Parang dumoble pa ngayon.
talagang
Palaki ang JC family.
Oh, of course. At syempre, proud na proud kami as your host to be with you guys on this very special event. Ayan. Kaya naman, MJ, I think it's time to begin. At syempre, umpisahan na natin ang ating programa. Let's begin with the 11th Good Night Summit. Yes?
Ladies and gentlemen, may we request everyone to please all rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join us in singing our Philippine National Anthem.
Puso
Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, we invite everyone to witness a very historic milestone. For the first time ever, here at the 11 Good Life Summit, we proudly unveil two powerful symbols that embody who we are and what we stand for. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your right hand for the first recitation of the JC Promise entitled, This Is Us, and the official unveiling of the JC flag. I choose JC, a global family bound by one mission, one vision, and one heart. I uphold our brand, committed to transforming lives through health, holistic wellness, and opportunity. Embracing the promise of a brighter tomorrow where all can flourish and reach their fullest potential. I commit to our values of integrity, excellence, and service, to act with purpose and to work with passion, delivering results that honor the trust placed in me. I will share our trusted products with pride, our opportunity with sincerity, and our story with conviction, knowing that every action brings us closer to global success. Through challenges, I will remain steadfast. Through victories, I will stay humble. Through every journey, I will be loyal to the brand, to our mission, and to the dream we share. One vision, one mission, one JC. You may now take your seats. And now, going back to our host for our JC 11 Good Life Summit.
Grabe! Wow, that was a powerful moment indeed.
It was really a powerful moment. I think it's very new to everyone here in the JC family. Tama ka dyan, Miss MJ. And this moment will go down in history as the start of a new chapter for all of us. The JC family deserve ng palakpakan yan. Palakpakan naman tayo.
And because today is not just about honoring our legacy, but also of celebration, we want to start the afternoon with some very special surprises. Agad-agad.
Oo, grabe. Agad-agad, di ba? Ako hapon, pero umaga lagi sa ating JC family. Yes, kasi sa JC, hindi uso ang patumpik-tumpik. Kaya naman, let's welcome on stage our JC Tambiolo. Magpapahapon na tayo kaagad. Yan.
Pampagana ng araw to. Okay, iwan ka na muna kita dito.